Hello everyone. In the last tutorial, we have seen how to use a group by function in Pandas. Basically, group by function used to group similar data in one group or one collection. Okay. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the merging function in Pandas. So, merging function used to merge more than one data set or data frame. In real situation, we have more than one CSV file or more than one data frame. So to build a machine learning model, okay, so how to build a machine learning model, we need to merge there are more than one data sets or data frame. Okay, so how to merge the data frame or data sets in Pandas? First we need to first we need to import a Pandas library, and then we create some two data frame with the help of dictionary, or there are so many methods to create a data frame and then merge. Okay, so first we need to import Pandas libraries. For this we write here simple import Pandas as PD. Okay, and then simply run. Now first we need to create a data set or a data frame. So suppose I create a data set, suppose name is df1 equal to we write here pd dot data frame we have so many methods to create a data frame. We use a dictionary method. Okay, so simply we write here, suppose first key name is suppose serial number or id. So I write here id. Okay, and write here simply separated by comma. In id suppose we assign here suppose we assign here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, we generate a simple data set, and suppose another keyword is suppose class. Okay, and then assign to class suppose in the square bracket, suppose 9 comma 10 comma 11 and comma 12. Okay, then simply close this, because we need to here use the curly braces, because this is the dictionary method to create a data frame, and then simply run. Okay, now to print this we need to write here df1, because our data frame name is df1, and then simply run the program. As you can see, our data frame is created. Now we create another data frame. So for this, first we need to copy and paste here, and suppose this is name is df2. In second data frame, suppose we need to change here id name is same, id is same, and suppose class, in the place of class we write here suppose student name or simple name, and we need to change suppose a, and suppose b. This is the name abcd, and write here d. Okay, this is another data frame. So to print this data frame, simply we write df2 and then shift plus enter. So you can see our second data frame is created. Now we need to merge both data frame. Okay, now to merge both data set, we need to call a merge function in pandas library. So for this we write here simple pd dot merge. Okay, And to see the parameters of merge function, simply first we need to reach our cursor here and shift plus and press shift plus tab. Now you can see so many parameters. Okay, you can see one by one, right, left, how, on, left, right. There are so many parameters which are used in the merge function. So left parameter used to merge the data as left side, and right parameter used to merge the data in the right side. Okay, now our data frame, because name is df1 and df2, first we need to pass our data frame name here. So first name is df1 and second name is df2. Okay, because you can see id is common in both data set. As you can see, id is the common in both data set. So for this which is common in our data set, and we need to suppose create as a id is a key in two data sets, or after merging the data. Okay, for this we need to use here on parameter. So write on parameter, on equal to, and assign the key means here id. Simply write on equal to id. It is needed to write here on equal to. On is a parameter in the merge function. Okay, so after that, simply run this program by shifting plus enter. Okay, as you can see, id is a common in both data frame. So this is our merge function used to merge both data set. As you can see, the class and name. Okay, class and name are the two column names, and id is the common in both data frames. Now if we want to change the place of class and name, we want to put name in the place of class and class in the place of name. For this we use the right and left parameter of our merge function. So for this, simply we copy this and paste here. Sorry, simply write here and suppose paste here. Yeah, as you can see, now first we need to because is the merging both data set. So simply we change the position of data frame name df. Suppose we write here df2, and here we write df1. Okay, so with the help of this the right and left parameters of the merge function, we can change the place of our uh, column names. Suppose class with the help of this we convert the place of class in the place of name, and name in the class. Simply we press the shift plus enter. As you can see, the class and name are interchanged. So it is very simple to change the place of the columns. Now if we have a problem, this type, if id column is not same in both data frame, so what will happen in this condition? Suppose we write here suppose 5. Okay, and in our df1 1 2 3 4, and in df2 1 2 3 4 5. So in this condition, only print those values which are common in both ids. So simply we call this here again, and copy and paste. Now simply run. Okay, as you can see, because in our okay, our data frame is not changed. So this is why happened this condition. Okay, first we need to run this program and then run also run this program. Okay, now as you can see here, only the values which are common in both is printed and the different values is not printed. Okay, so when we change the id 1234 and in data frame 2 1 2 3 4 5, and then when run this program merging function, as you can see only 1 2 3 is printed and fourth is not printed because the fourth id number is the different in both. So as you can see, the merge function fetch only the common values in both data frame, as we use the key id is we use the id as a key. Okay. Okay, now if we print if we print the our data merge data frame, how it is in according to left or according to right. For this we have how function in how parameter in merge function. Simply for this we need copy and paste here. Now we use here how separated by comma, write how equal to inner. If we write inner, uh, simply we write inner and then run. Now you can see both are the same because inner means it take the most, it take the common value in both data frame. But if we use here in the place of inner, we use here left or right. Suppose we use first we use right left here. Okay, and then run. Now you can see the left, when we use the left how equal to right, it take the according to the left, according to the name, it means a left data frame. So as you can see here nan value, because according to data frame name, data frame df1, the column name is 1 to abcd, and according to abcd here, because we use left only, so it take the left value, all left value, but in the right side it take one value is nan. Similarly if we write here right, it take according to the right data frame. Okay. Okay, as you can see in our right side or df1 here, as you can see the class is the column name is all, it take all value 9 10 11 12, but in the left side it take nan value. So with the help of this merge function or nan inner left and right, we can we can frame, we can create our data frame and merge with the help of the merge function. You can merge more than one data frame with the help of merge function. Okay, so I think it is clear all of you. If you have any type of problem and any query related to the this function, you can write me in the comment section. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and it is share among your friends. Thank you so much.